Alright, so the show basically consists of 3 boards, 2 1 3/4 inch shell racks, a rocket rack, and some Roman candles. Got Mark of Greatness, Swamp Gator, Open Fire, some Thunder King, those are hard to get. What's Up Dog, Loud and Rowdy, American Trucker, Crown Royale. Got Scuba Diver over there in the back with Oohs and Ahs. That's an Ah brand firework. Got Emotional Distress, Snake Tails, Coconut Grove, Addicted to Loud, Texas Hold'em, Wacky Tobacco, a number 300 shell, that's a 3-inch, Cherry Bomber, Salute Cake, and a 300 shot Saturn missile.